Hi there, this is Mohammad Abbas from Computer Tech Skill and welcome to the second class of Microsoft Excel for beginners. In this tutorial we are going to learn about alignment group that is present there, and beside that we'll also try to learn about number group. What we have to do is to type something. United people. So this is what I have typed, and two words I have typed, which one of them is going out of the cell. So what we have to do is to extend the column. It should be selected before we have to move to these options. It says top align, middle align, bottom align. So what we have to do to just a little bit decrease the size of that and just zoom it in. So what we have to do to use middle align, which is bringing the text in the middle of the cell, and this is something that is bringing at the top, and that is something that is bringing at the bottom. And there are some of the options like align left, align right, and align center. So this is what is the professional way to use all of these options. Let's try to go for some more options. Let's try to go for this one, decrease indent. This is something which I must have taught you in Microsoft Word 2. See, it is something that is giving the result itself, so no need to explain furthermore. Let's try to go for align, format cell alignment. Go for this, and over there you can find orientation. If you want to move that to top, little bit to top, it is giving result something like that. It means that is changing the direction of the text. And if you want to go for this, it will be giving the result provided that you are just playing with that. See, if you want to reset whatever you have edited, you have to be going for format cell alignment and move that to the center. See, it works. Which should be going out of the cell. Like for example, you can obviously see and observe that United States of America, that is going outside of the cell. So what I have to do is to use this option, and that will exactly be bringing all of the rest of the text that is going out of the cell at the bottom. See, it works. And this time what I have to do, if I can make a small table like names, English subject, bio subject, history subject, and I want to title the table, like for example, what should be the name of this table? Like I can say data of student. So what I have to do is to select these two columns. So what I have to do is to select these two cells and go for merge and center. So now it is merged and it becomes one cell, which is known as title of this table. So then you can continue that and you can work furthermore, Let's try to go for another sheet by making new sheet over there and little bit zoom it in. And now I am going to make you understand all about number group that is present there. So again I am repeating that I should be typing something before I move towards all of the options that are present in alignment group or number group. Most probably the options are related to something that you should be typing. So let's try to go for any sort of name like John. So what I have to do is to select John cell, or this cell which is known as John. What I have to do is to select this cell in which I have typed John and go for this. So there are many of the things, like for example, if you want to go for general, you can go for general, number, currency, accounting, short date, and all of these things. So what I recommend you is to either you have to be selecting text or general, because general is something that can be used for number as well as for text, and text is something that is 100% used for text. So this is something that is some sort of way that is professional. Let's try to go for general or text, and over there what I have to do is to type 1000, and this time select 1000 cell, and number, currency, accounting, percentage. So any one of them you like, that depends upon your need. For example, if you want to go for just simple number, you can go for this, and if you want to go for currency, in which sort of a symbol will come, which is known as dollar symbol, and accounting, I think most probably the same thing, and also percentage. So that is something that depends upon your need. And let's try to go for date. If I can go there and type the date, this is something which must be short date, and if I go there and apply short date, it will remain as same. And if I go for long date, this is something that can result for you. And there are many of the options like time. So what you have to do is to type the time, 5 o'clock. The options that I am teaching you are all professionally and professional options. See? And let's try to understand about the options that are present there. Let's try to type something like, for example, 1000. And then go for accounting, number, format. So these are the currencies that each of the country is having sort of different currency. So these are different of the currencies. Anyone you like, anyone you need, you can go for all of these currencies. Like for example, if you want to go for English United States, you can go for this, which is known as dollar, and you can also go for euro and Chinese currency, and United Kingdom, which is known as pound. I may explain furthermore more accounting format if I may go there. So what I have to do is to select this before going for this option, more accounting format, and over there you can find many of the currencies like Russian and Georgian and many of more. So what I have to do is to find PKR, which is known as Pakistani currency. See, hit OK. So now it is being converted to PKR, Pakistan currency. And let's try to select that and go for percentage. Now percentage is being applied, and this is known as comma style. If you need, you can go for this. And these are known as increased decimals and decreased decimal. I hope you have enjoyed this class in which I have taught you most important options and most basic options. If you have enjoyed the tutorial, please give a thumbs up, subscribe the channel, and press the bell icon for more. Thank you so much for watching the tutorial. I'll see you in my next tutorial. Bye bye for now.